morning, guys.
Hey, what's up, dude? Hey.
It's another vlog, and I'm skating with the amigos or the chicos. Look me in the asshole.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
What? Hey, what's up, baby? Yo, motherfucker.
No, I'm kidding.
Fucking faggot. Dude, what you doing, dude? What you doing, dude?
Nigga, I'm fucking your bitch. Yo,
What's
put
that?
the camera on me, nigga.
Smells good.
Nigga, think I'm fucking.
Niggas.
Alright, so today
Yeah, dude.
I'm gonna teach you how to kick flip, okay? So first of all, what you're gonna do is put that thing down on the ground right there. And put your feet on it. Like,
Get my feet. Fucking nigga. Sorry.
so the next thing what you're gonna do is you're gonna wind up, dude. You're just gonna fucking flip that shit. Let me put my backpack down real quick so I can give you a little tutorial. I'm gonna hit it and go wow, and then you're gonna pick up and just gonna slide your foot up sideways and flick off and shit real quick.
Flip that shit in your hand. It's a gaper. Zooming into his like concentrated face. Wee, wee. Eat the smelling his cheese.
Fucking saw that, man?
Will you? So we were at the underground and then police came by and then me and TK decided to fucking run. And he came after us.
Dude, he didn't say shit to us. He was like, what's their names? I was like, and he was like, I don't know. We don't really know them that well. He's like, if you don't tell us their names right now, I'm writing you all trespassing for it. So I was like, Edward and, did we say TK or Tyler?
I had the fucking answer on you guys.
Oh yeah,
didn't
you
step
said
in.
like Richard or something.
I was like, I think it was Tyler,
And Edward, and I was like, oh,
you were like Edward.
Some fly his fucking ass in, and so we jumped in that little like thing, you know, where it's like divots in, and then we just jumped over and we fucking hid in the bushes and watched him go down the street talking on his walkie-talkie. So looked at him in the eye.
He looked at me like we were in the bushes. He was passing by. He looked at me right in the fucking eye. I said, "Fuck!" And then he kept on going like, "Woo! Let's go back
Then
to
we
the
hid,
underground."
And then we went back to underground and then
We
back to
fucking
you guys.
sneak like fucking ninjas. So the fucking cop took our fucking boards.
fucking.
All of it. It's at the mall because I'm cool, because I don't give a fuck.
Y'all want to hit up Brookstone?
Okay. Playing hide and go seek and seers. Hiding in this box because I'm awesome.
Haven't slept in days, they wanna put me in the psycho watch. Everyone's afraid of what I do inside my